A candy container can become a beautiful Christmas tree ornament. Stay with me while I show you how. First, I clean the container with rubbing alcohol. This way the paint will stick better to the surface. Then I apply a coat of white primer. I started applying it with a brush, but a sponge did a better job. Next I applied white chalk paint, a bit too much of it, so I removed the excess and spread the rest with the sponge as before. One coat of chalk paint was enough. I chose this beautiful rice paper with forest animals. I traced around the owl with a water pen. This makes tearing out the design easier, and torn edges help to hide the transitions. Then I made tears from the outside in so that the design will bend over the edges. I applied a bit of decoupage glue on the background and then made sure to push out any wrinkles. I applied decoupage glue all over the design. To disguise the line where the two halves of the container meet, I will use Padico Hearty Soft Clay and Redesign with Prima Elegant Borders silicone mold. I could use air dry clay, but I wanted this to be as light as possible, so I chose Padico. I remove the excess with a plastic knife and make sure the edges are as neat as possible. After an hour, I take out the molding. Now I use Titebond Quick and Thick to glue on the border. To blend the edges of the rice paper, I dab the whitish background of the paper with white chalk paint. Then I trim the edges of this sparkling ribbon and cut off a single strand of diamonds. I glue it on with Titebond. I repeat the process on the other side, and this is the result. I was hoping I would get away with painting the red ribbon white, but the paint did not really stick to the material. Time for change of strategy. I trimmed the edges of the ribbon to make it thinner. Then I applied a bit of hot glue to attach the decorative ribbon from which the ornament will hang. I made little cuts where the silver ribbon meets the red so that tying it would be easier. I secured the knot with more hot glue. I thread 3 silver bells through the red ribbon. The only thing left to do is to disguise the red mess. I paint the red ribbon with some silver metallic paint until it blends with the bells. And this is the finished ornament, from a candy container that would be thrown into the trash to a beautiful ornament. What do you think?